Siyabingelela nje ekseni bafowethu kumgqibelo ekseni. Sibongele kakhulu nje amaqhawe namandla aselectiwe kule press briefing la sino-SG omusha nobuholi obusha eKZN. Sifuna nje ukubonga nje kakhulu kubona nje bonke abakwazile ukuthi bakhethwe baselectwe. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sibonge nakuwena SG xa unamandla. Isihlalo kuso xa unamandla isihlalo singesihle kahle. Siyashisa asilulanga nesihlalo, but siyakufuna nje ucela uNkulunkulu akuphe ubuhlakani obungaphezulu kwalokhu usukunakho khona uzokwazi ukuthi uphathe kahle. Ngike ngaba novalo nomvalo ngingaba novalo xa unamandla kakhulu ngesikhathi uappointwa xa unamandla as SG ngingaba novalo kakhulu. Injabulo yami yangaba khona yangaba khona injabulo yami ngesikhathi uappointwa. Ngezwe nje ubuhlungu kakhulu, yabona ubuhlungu obekungizwisa xa unamandla bengiyabona ubuhlungu obubi, bekubuhlungu bokuthi unomvalo uyaphusha, yasebenza lensizwa la emkhontweni uyangcoliswa, la emkhontweni uyashawa yabona, la emkhontweni uyangcoliswa, la emkhontweni uyashawa. I-career futhi yomuntu iyaphela nje, siyakwazi ukuyiqeda iphele nje. Uvalo lwami belulapho xa unamandla ukuthi ungabe njalo lensizwa sekukuphela kwe-career yayo njalo, ngoba la siyancolisana la, yabona, lana siyancolisana la, siyashayana la yabona kulo mkhonto wethu.
NgoLwesine ongamhla ka-12 kuMashi 2026, Umkhonto weSizwe Party umemezela ukuthi uDr Mngcwangu obe uSecretary General usekhululiwe esikhundleni sakhe bamreplace nguSibonelo Nomvalo oyi-Member of Parliament. Emveni kwalesimemezelo, uma ubaba uNathi Nhleko ekhuluma nabezindaba babuza umbuzo interesting ukuthi lokushintsha kwabo oSecretary General nokureshafla abantu laba basey'khundleni ngabe lokho kuchaza ukuthi iqembu alinalo uzinzo na or alikho stable na? Umbuzo obalulekile lo, ngoba thina esingaphandle nabantu njengabantu nje abangamalungu omphakathi, uma sibuka kwenza kanje sibona sengathi alukho uzinzo, kodwa yena mayiphendula uphendule kanje.
I'm from the SABC. I just would like to find out in terms of the decision regarding these changes that you've made to the leadership. One might also believe that a lot of people are talking about the uncertainty and instability with all the changes that the MK party has been making. Are you not concerned about what this, how people will view these constant changes? If my maths is correct, I believe that this is now the 8th or the 9th Secretary General that the party is now making changes in terms of that position. And to those that you're now shifting around, are they leaving the party or are they going to be redeployed to other significant roles within the party? Just those two things.
Any other? Yes, sir.
Ujimmy Makubane Mthembu as Mahlonza Online News, ngine-concern about ubaba uNomvalo, of which abantu abaningi bese bembuka njengomuntu who is obalulekile kwi-ad hoc committee. And kuzokwenzakalani ngeposition yakhe in parliament njengoba sezoba uSecretary General. Thank you.
Okay. So we are the only two journalists here. All right. Thank you very much. Utewani Mamsong. Okay. Look, in organizational management, how do you measure uncertainty and instability? Right? Now, you can only measure it by one thing and one thing alone: the extent to which an organization is functional or dysfunctional. Right? So if your structures are not working, then you have instability, you have uncertainty, and so on. But I do not know where this school of thought comes from that says if you remove a particular individual, it means they are unstable. That's not necessarily the case. It may as well be, for an example, that you are removing that individual in order to reinforce some way in some area of functionality in the organization. Or it could also be that you need a better human individual to occupy that particular position to enhance functionality of the organization. So it can't be clearly a cut down dry sort of assertion that says so if you remove me, it means MK is unstable or uncertain and so on. I think that's a wrong conclusion to arrive at. I think there's a second point that you raised.
The second point was with the changes that you've made, those who now.
Oh, whether they will be redeployed. Yeah, I think much as I would like to respond to that, but it's an administrative function internally within the organization to also look into that. But a responsible organization will always take a posture that says, how best do you use the resource that you have? In other words, the human resource that you have. I may not, for an example, I may be removed where I am, but perhaps the organization can use me somewhere else, productively so, and so on. Now,
Ubalulekile lo mbuzo obuzo usisi lo Mamhlongo. Ngoba ubuza nje ukuthi ngabe lokwenza inguquko kangaka kubantu abakwi leadership kusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwephatha awukho stable na. Ngiyayithanda futhi nempendulo kaBaba uNathi Nhleko ukuthi how do you measure i-stableness or stability kwi-organization? Is it functional or dysfunctional? How do you measure? And the only person ongakwazi ukumeasure lonto leyo ongaphakathi, because unama-analytics, une-data ezokwazi ukuback up whatever conclusion azofika kuyo. Kodwa uma ungaphandle uzokhuluma noma yini oyithandayo, uyafana nomuntu oyisupporter ebhola. Uyayibona into ebekufuneka yenziwe ngabanye abadlala phakathi. Kodwa uma ungasunikwa ithuba lokuthi ngene ngeke wenze nokukodwa kulokhu kade ukhuluma ngakho. Ingakho ngithi nje ubalulekile ukuthi lo mbuzo ngewucaphune ngoba ngiwuthandile umbuzo, ngayithanda nempendulo. Kodwa impendulo yakho inombuzo phakathi. How do you measure i-instability? Ukuze ufike kuleyo conclusion ozothi naye abekho stable, how do you measure? Asicaphune impendulo yakhe yesibili.
Thobani impilo. Magubane. Cha Nkomozi. You're saying you're concerned about his role in Parliament, Comrade Unomva. Now, our starting point is simple. You will not have Parliament unless you have a solid and functional organization. So surely the question of what is going to happen in his position, leadership would have to, it's in fact we're duty bound that we have got to replace him. So that's all that we can say. But we do think that he has a contribution to make in the development and institutionalization of the organization, and that's why this decision is arrived at to also pull him into the organizational and political management of the organization. Senate Gomez.
Lokho eqokiwe uNomvalo wagcina ukukhuluma nabezindaba ngoLwesine ngoba isimemezelo saphuma yena ku-ad hoc committee eseParliament. abakwa-SABC bahlangana naye bambuza. Kodwa-ke ubhala incwadi, sizofunda lo letha nje ebhalwe uNomvalo ngoba iletha yakhe yokuqala ngqa selokhu ethatha i-responsibility yokuba uSecretary General womkhonto wesizwe party. Ngizobuyela futhi nakule video kaBaba uKhomo ngasekugcineni epheleleyo uzwe ukuthi le nkulumo yakhe ibiyaphi, ngoba kungenzeka omunye ayithatha out of context, kungenzeka futhi omunye ayihlandakezele le nkulumo ingabi lokhu efanele ibe yikho. Ngizoyifaka ngasekugcineni, kodwa kubalulekile ile letha lebhalwe uNomvalo. Ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuthi uma ufika endaweni bese ulalela kokuqala lo muntu lo okuyena obekuleyo position umezo ezokwazi ukudlulisela umsebenzi kuwe, akutshela ukuthi sebehambe bafika ibanga elingaka kwenzakalani, bese ulalela nabantu around wena. Uzame nje ukublokha ama-negative comments kodwa ulalela abantu, uzwa abakhalayo ukuthi bakhala ngani, uzwa abancomayo bancoma ini, ngoba uma uthi ufika nje ubuza nama-ideas wakho kuzofike kuphambana. Kufana noma uzo-introduce into entsha, kufuneka uyi-introduce kahle, ungathi ufika nje ububhidliza konke okwakhiwe, ngoba okwakhiwe i-predecessor yakho kungenzeka ukuthi khona okuhle, kukhona nje okuhle, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi wena uthe uma ufika nje wafika onomqondo ukuthi sekuphethe wena bese kuyonakala. Sifundeni le letha lena-ke. Ethi iphume ngomhla ka-16 kuMarch 2026. Ithi issued by Secretary General Comrade Sibonelo Nomvalo. Attention all formal structures of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, general members of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Isihloko sithi Secretary General communique to MK structures and general members. Dear comrades, the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, MKP, Comrade Sibonelo Nomvalo, is humbled by all the overwhelming congratulatory and supporting messages from the general membership and formal structures of the MKP after his appointment on Thursday, 12 March 2026. The Secretary General reaffirms the commitment he made to the President and National Officials Collective that he will serve the MKP with total dedication, integrity, and revolutionary discipline in steering the party towards greater organizational maturity and resilience, and to the most progressive political movement in South Africa, body politics. Since his appointment, the Secretary General has been inundated with a substantial number of complaints and other submissions from across the wider spectrum of the organization. Every single submission and complaint received is noted and will be receiving the necessary attention from the apex leadership of the organization. The Secretary General will be engaging national officials to establish and build an effective internal dispute resolution mechanism and proper organizational structures and systems to resolve all problems raised. As the accounting officer and chief executive officer of the organization, the Secretary General undertakes to attend to all these complaints and further commit providing feedback on all matters deposited thus far by the 30th of April 2026. The Secretary General's immediate priority and primary mandate is to strengthen organizational discipline, build effective governance systems, and establish strong branches and upper-level structures to consolidate robust grassroots and community-based participation in the MKP. The Secretary General is also aiming to build and cement a strong political and ideological foundation within the party to position the MKP as a political leader in the quest to complete the last chapter of the liberation and decolonization project in South Africa. The MKP is also geared towards building political solidarity with fraternal and like-minded political and civil society actors across African region and in the global community. The political task at hand requires a focused, united, and institutionally solid organization that ready to take over and utilize state power for the benefit of African masses to reclaim their dignity, identity, and economic power within the League of the Nation at the global scale. The membership and structures of the MKP need to focus on mobilizing and galvanizing in the majority of South Africans towards the party's political vision and not on internal factional and partisan contestations. Secretary General is encouraging and enjoining all members of the party to put aside any differences and focus on building the party for the greater good of the general masses of our people. Revolutionary regards, yasiyabhala ukuthi isayinwe electronically uComrade Nomvalo. Oqala nje engizwe kubalekile ngale letter ilokho akushoyo ukuthi uzo-attenda wonke lama-complaint, inqwaba yama-complaint ayitholile uzofika wa-attende nga-1-1 ezwe iy'khalo zabantu. Futhi okunye okubalulekile ukuthi Umkhonto weSizwe Party afuna ukuyiyeka noma uyiguqule lento yabo yokunaka kakhulu izimpi zangaphakathi kugcine kunama-functions. Ngiyakhumbula nje kwakukhona i-team kaDuduzile, i-team le yango-2023 yangeyi-16 bese kuba khona oMafikizolo. Kufuneka iphele leyo nto leyo ngoba bonke labantu basemkhondweni, bonke labantu banenhloso eyodwa njengoba besemkhondweni. Okwesibili, uzokhanda ukuthi ama-structures awakwazi ukucommunicate kusuka phansi kuze kufike phezulu. Okusho ukuthi asikho isidingo asizukuba bikho isidingo noma sizoba sincane isidingo sokuthi abantu baye enkandla whenever kunama-issues. Njengoba bethi bazokhanda i-dispute resolution mechanism yokwazi ukuthi uma kukhona inkinga ikwazi uku-addresseka internally, ilungiseke internally. Kodwa yabona nje engingakusho mina kufanele babe ne-forensic ozokwazi ozokwazi uku-analyzer, assess ukuthi obani laba balikhi information. Kungathi kukhulunywa izinto zangaphakathi ekuthiwa ziyaresolva internally kutholakala ukuthi ama-fighter sewane-letter, sewanaleyo email leyo ethunyelwe kumuntu loyo specific ngoba kuzama ukuxazulula inkinga ethize. Lokho nje kuyasithunaza isithunzi seqembu. Ayikho i-political party enemfihlo njenge-EFF. Wakwasho uFikile Mbalula wathi baney'nkinga kodwa ngeke uze ubone kuthiwa zilikhile ngoba uma ngase kwenzeke uJulius uqashe i-forensic iseshe ithole ukuthi ubani oyilikhile, lowo muntu loyo angaxoshwa noxoshwa eqenjini ngoba akufanelanga iy'nkinga zegceke ziphumele ngaphandle. Ngakho-ke ngiyafisa njengoba uNomvalo ethi bazokhanda leyo dispute resolution mechanism benze sure ukuthi there is forensic angazothi nema-investigate. Uma kungase kwenzeke kulikhe something ebekungafanele ebe-internal, lowo muntu bamdiscipline publicly ukuze abantu bezokuyeka lo mkhuba wabo ukuthi iy'ndaba ze-MK Party sizizwe ngo-breakdown even before beyimemezela bona. Ayinhle loo nto leyo kunoma yiphi organization ekhona, ayinhle. Angicaphunela ivideo kaBaba uKhoma bese siyayivala le video kodwa ngiyakufisa ukuze ukuphala kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kule nkulumo nje shubo uNomvalo.
Siyabingelela nje ekseni bafowethu kumgqibelo ekseni. Sibongele kakhulu nje amaqhawe namandla aselectiwe kule press briefing la sino-SG omusha nobuholi obusha eKZN. Sifuna nje ukubonga nje kakhulu kubona nje bonke abakwazile ukuthi bakhethwe baselectwe. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sibonge nakuwena SG xa unamandla. Isihlalo kuso xa unamandla isihlalo singesihle kahle. Siyashisa asilulanga lesihlalo. But siyakufuna nje ucela uNkulunkulu akuphe ubuhlakani omngaphezulu kwalokho usukunakho khona uzokwazi ukuthi uphathe kahle. Ngike ngaba novalo nomvalo. Ngingaba novalo xa unamandla kakhulu. Ngesikhathi uappointwa xa unamandla as SG. Ngingaba novalo kakhulu. Injabulo yami yangaba khona. Yangaba khona injabulo yami ngesikhathi uappointwa. Ngezwe nje ubuhlungu kakhulu. Yabona. Ubuhlungu obekungizwisa xa unamandla. Bengebona ubuhlungu obubi. Bekubuhlungu bokuthi unomvalo uyaphusha. Yasebenza lensizwa. La emkhontweni uyangcoliswa, la emkhontweni uyashawa. Yabona? La emkhontweni uyangcoliswa, la emkhontweni uyashawa. I-career futhi yomuntu iyaphela nje. Siyakwazi ukuyiqeda iphele nje. Uvalo lwami belulapho xa unamandla ukuthi ungabe njalo lensizwa sekukuphela kwe-career yayo njalo. Ngoba la siyancolisana la. Yabona? Lana siyancolisana la siyashayana la. Yabona? Kulomkhonto wethu. Kodwa ngase ngihlehla kancane, ngase ngibuka nje iwisdom uNkulunkulu akuphila nje yona. Ngase ngibona ukuthi no. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ulolu hlobo uNkulunkulu vele belidinga emkhontweni. Ngayenza ivideo before ngathi mina abantu enibabona namhlanje belida umkhonto wesizwe. Akubona laba balida umkhonto wesizwe. Kukhona nje laba basesa abazofika bathi khaxa entweni bangene. Kuba ukuthi nje bivele lento ilinde bona. Angifuni iqonda amandla ukusho njalo kuwe ngithi mina uyilolu hlobo labantu bekade lilindiwe khaxa ngoba nginovalo la emkhontweni kuyenzeka kuningi. Yabona? So xa unamandla nje cela uNkulunkulu akuphe ubuhlakani kwiposition okuyo. Cela uNkulunkulu akuphe amandla. Ulida abantu abadala la. Yabona? Ulida amanomzane, ulida bomama, ulida lonke uhlobo lomuntu. Akuyona into elula ukuba uSG weorganization efana nomkhonto wesizwe. Ingangithi mina ufuna sicela uNkulunkulu nje akuphe ubuhlakani. Kodwa into engingayicela kakhulu kuwe ukuthi uyenze iyokusebenzela makuyithathe kahle. Yabo njengoba uSG nje uzoba na ama friends la emkhontweni futhi unawo mhlambe futhi la emkhontweni. Ubezwe kodwa okunye kwakho ushaye ngathi awubazwanga. Ubalalele abangani bakho kodwa futhi okunye ushaye ngathi awubazwanga. Yazi ngoba uSG manje wabantu ombutho. Abo SG abaningi emkhontweni bashawe into eyodwa. Bathe mangabe bengena bangena emaphaketheni abantu, bangena kubantu abathize, bagcina beza abantu abathize, bagcina sebengena empini zomkhonto, sebehlukanisa umkhonto ukuthi yabona usibanibani nje. Yabona? Naye wangena kulo trap le njalo uSG egcina eselwa naye nabanye abantu. Wena xa unamandla njengexa unamandla engilethembayo. Iba uSG nje wabantu kumkhonto wesizwe. Ababi abahle abanjani ebanje. Ukuze ukwazi ukuthi balide kahle abantu bakho. Hamba check amaphutha enziwe laba abanye mase ungawenzeki ngoba yonke ebaluleke kakhulu le. Kunabantu emkhontweni abasemkhontweni abakutshela kahle ukuthi hayi mina nje emkhontweni sengikhona nje. Ngikhona ngoba ngumkhonto, yabona? Yazi ngobani? Ingoba athi bangabe belwa nezinye izinto baphenduka baba izitha kwabanye abantu. Manje wonke umuntu ongenayo ubabona njengezitha kanti abazona izitha. Kanti abazona izitha ze-organization nomkhonto wesizwe. Kodwa babe yizitha nezinto ezenzakalayo ezingekho right. Njengo-SG umusha eqhawe namandla. Qinisekisa mfowethu ukuthi awungeni into nefana nazo lezo. abahle, ababi, abangcono, bangekho ngcono, ulida bona, yabona. Ungagcini nawe usungena empini lezi ezikhona emkhontweni. Simbona SJ sihamba nobani, yabona. Sibona SJ sezwa ngobani, yabona. Bonke bashayela lo trap enjalo. Bathi ungagaxeli kuyo xa unamandla. Ngiyakwethemba kakhulu. Bezwe abantu. Izinto ezishaya abantu, balalela abantu. Sondele ebantwini. Futhi imbono yabantu futhi uyithathe. Uma umuntu uthu umuntu mumbi, ungakubambi lokho kufaka enhlizweni. Sondela kulowo muntu loyo, uyibonele wena ngempela ububi bakhe. Ungezwe ngomuntu ethi umubi usibanibani, kade wasibanibani, baba usibanibani, shaya usibanibani. Sondela, makuthiwa baba kuthiwa bahambe laba, sondela kubo njengo SG ukuzwizwele wena, uyibonele wena ububi babo. Yayibona, because kuyenzeka umuntu abithe umuntu mumbi kanti umuntu akekho mumbi. Masusondela kanti umuntu hayi uyazi. Awuyazi, yayibona. So xa unamandla nje okuhle kodwa mfowethu ngiyathemba ukuthi iorganization izobuyela isithunzi, organization izobuya abantu bagive up abantu abaningi iorganization yethu ngendlela ebezenzeka ngazo. Sinethemba xa unamandla ukuthi ke mhlawumbe ubukhona benu buzokwazi ukuthi mhlambe benze kube ngconywana. Kuba futhi base KZN ngineshona bafundile babonile futhi nabo izinto ebezenze KZN bengabajabulisa abantu base KZN. Ubuholo obushintshiwe nginethemba lokuthi amaphutha enziwe abanye bawabonile bafunda futhi kuwo bayozama ukuthi benze kangcono kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu Maqhawe namandla. Engathi uNkulunkulu anganipha amandla, aniphe ubuhlakani kukona konke enikwenzayo, nikwazi ukuthi ke nilide kahle abantu bamkhonto wesizwe, nilide kahle eNingizimu Afrika. Uma ngabe niketshelana kube sekuphela ithemba ebantwini. Kodwa sinethemba lokuthi abantu bazobuyelwa yithemba. Okunye nokunye nishaya ngathi anikubonanga, okunye nokunye nishaya ngathi anikuzwanga. Lokho kunisiza kakhulu Maqhawe namandla. Kodwa manje ongena senizwile, senibonile, senilwa. Iyoba nzima kakhulu leyo. Kodwa ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi amazwi mhlawumbe nayo ufika kahle kini. Sibheke kukhulu nina Maqhawe namandla. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Maqhawe namandla. Kwaza mkhonto.